hook a worm. So you're going to hook them once, and then you're going to hook them again. Like that. And then you're going to hook them again. Or it stays on when you cast it. Open the banner, and then you're cast. Oh. And then you're gonna close it. I think I'll catch a fish.
You might not want to stand right next to him with his casting.
Want to see the fishy?
Look at that.
The fishy.
He's
Go fishy. Okay. This looks like a. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa. Ooh. No.
Watch the
Sure. This looks like a bluegill. Fish master.
cheese.
It's fishy. What's it? You want to say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, fishy. Bye-bye, fishy. What's in the water? Say bye-bye.
It was a big one out there, right?
Yeah, it has to be a flathead catfish.
Okay.
I don't know about the flathead.
Maybe it's an alligator?
Nothing else would eat this liver other than a catfish.
Well,
This stuff's disgusting.
maybe an American alligator?
Yes.
Whoa.
A chunk of liver on a circle hook
Yummy.
that I have a decent size weight on to hold it to the bottom.
I caught a big one.
To hope we catch a. Hey, you got a stickfish. Hope we can get a catfish.
Imagine there's four cats. What was that? That pick. Well, we don't need you guys. Troy, I'll catch one for you, or Daddy will catch one. Why are the worms so skinny? I'm gonna try. Oh, is there another one?
Something ate your worm while I was fixing this. Uh-oh.
Whoa!
Fish! Whoa! Oh. They're so cool.
I hate catfish.
Why?
Because they have those little pointer prickly things on
I love catfish. That
I
one's
like to
fighting.
eat catfish. Good job, big
That
boy.
one was fighting.
it. So he's got the spines on these fins and on his back fin. So if
Which one?
you grab them up.
Troy, got a rod. Troy, got a rod.
He was starting to poke me.
Yikes.
That looks like the same one.
Oh, hey, look at you. Hey.
Okay, so on their fins, on their dorsal and both pectoral fins,
Uh-huh.
they
Did
have
it just bark?
they have a spine.
It's making a noise.
Is it?
Oh, good job, Maddie. Yay.
That was hard to reel in.
Hey, you did it,
So
Mama.
did you see how instead of running away from you, it ran towards you?
Yeah.
You gotta keep your eyes on. That was a good job. You noticed your line coming in.
Good job. Ooh.
Oh.
So the liver went out there. I thought we just saw it go out there, but we thought it was on the hook.